Hello everyone, this is a June 13 question, paper 1-1, and the question number is 11. It's concerned with the chapter Atom, Molecules and Stoichiometry. The question reads, a solution of Sn2 plus ions, Sn is tin. Sn2 plus ions will reduce an acidified solution of MnO4 minus ions to Mn2 plus ions. This will reduce the Sn2 plus ions are oxidized to Sn4 plus ions in this reaction. How many moles of Mn2 plus ions are formed when solution containing 9.5 grams of tin chloride, MR value is 190, is added to an excess of acidified KMnO4 solution. So what we need to do here is construct two equations. The first one is oxidation of Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus, and another is reduction of MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. The first equation is fairly simple, which is oxidation of Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus, and to balance this we need two electrons here. The charges are balanced, 4 plus and minus 2 is plus 2. Now the second equation, if you have not remembered it, it will be quite difficult to construct the second equation. So we are going to use a slight clever method, which is, if you look at the data booklet, we have an equation that shows MnO4 minus getting oxidized to Mn2 plus ions. So we'll just copy this equation, because although we have been given E0 values and all, we don't need those values for the purpose of this question. So if you look at the content 4 of the data booklet, the equation is at page 7, the equation is fairly around the bottom of the page, and if we copy the equation is MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5E minus, it will give us, we don't need the reversible reaction because we are not concerned about that. It gives us Mn2 plus 4H2O. This is what our question exactly wants, reduction of MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Now to combine both these equations, first we need to cancel the electrons out, and the multiple of these two is 10, so we'll have 5 Sn2 plus. We'll multiply by 5 here in the first equation, and in second equation we'll later see. 5 Sn2 plus gives us 5 Sn4 plus 10E minus, and to make 5 into 10, we need to multiply the second equation by 2, which is 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10E minus, giving us 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O. Now combining this equation, we obviously have 10E and 10E cancelled out. Now we have 5 Sn2 plus these two, these two, 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus gives us this and these two combined, 5 Sn4 plus 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O. Now going to the numbers question has given us, first we need to find the moles of SnCl2, which is Sn2 plus here. Moles of Sn2 plus is 9.5 divided by 190. We have been given the MR value, so we don't need to go to the data booklet. This is, now calculating this, we'll obtain 0.05. Now the question is asking how many moles of Mn2 plus are formed when 9.5 grams of SnCl2 is added to an excess of KMnO4 solution. Mn2 plus is this, so using the mole ratio, we have for every 5 moles of Sn2 plus, we have 2 moles of Mn2 plus, and for every 1 mole of Sn2 plus, we have 2 by 5 moles of Mn2 plus, and using this again, for every 0.05 moles of Sn2 plus, we have 2 by 5 multiplied by 0.05 moles of Mn2 plus. Now 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 is 0.4 multiplied by 0.05, which is 4 5s are 20, so our answer should be 0.02, which makes, looking at options, choice B the correct answer.